Welcome back. The Kern County Sheriff's Office made history last month, hiring the first female aviation mechanic to work with the department. 17's Chris Burton is here now with her story. Chris?
Well, Tammy, she doesn't usually take to the skies herself, much as she'd like to, but one of KCSO's newest hires is flying high all the same. Carrie Sertucci's groundbreaking journey into aviation could be a movie. Fittingly, it began with one.
I was an 80s kid, so Top Gun came out, and I wanted to be a fighter pilot, actually.
But Sertucci wears glasses, a disqualifier for fighter pilots, so the soft-spoken Texan became an electrician and mechanic, and a good one. Last December, Sertucci became the first ever woman to join the Kern County Sheriff's Office flight mechanic team. She was the first woman to graduate from California Aeronautical University's new aircraft maintenance technician program. In fact, many places she's been the first woman to work there.
When I was overseas in the Middle East, I was also the first female to work in the VIP hangar. The Emirati military had never worked with, in that particular hangar, had never worked with a female before, so I had to earn their trust.
Her career has taken her around the world, with stops in the United Arab Emirates and South Korea, and a stint in the U.S. Navy. In just more than a month at KCSO, she's already earned praise from colleagues like 36-year veteran Adam Valdez.
Since we've had her hired on, she's been a great asset to the unit.
And while Sertucci hesitates to call herself a trailblazer,
to me, it's always just been what my job is. I've never, really thought of myself in that way.
She understands. In a male-dominated field, she's a maverick.
Whatever I wanted to do, I pursued those. It just so happens to fall in this field.
Now, Sertucci says her mother is her biggest supporter, and her son is one of her biggest motivators to pursue her passion. In studio, Chris Burton, 17 News.